We're going to perform the rear assist on this mannequin. It is a rarely used configuration of the webbing. However, for animals that have crawled into a place such as a culvert or underneath a building and they only have access to the rear end, this may be a configuration you have to use. I've got an animal handler that's already got control of the head and is in safe position. At this point, I need 2 people to work together with the webbing and reach tools to put the webbing around the animal's hindquarter. Hand it over to your friend on the other side. To the middle of the webbing at the hip, and then use your reach tools to grab the loops and pull them between the horse's rear legs. Remember, this is a very ticklish position for animals, and we're not going to tighten it up until we are ready to perform the actual pull. At this point, it's in position. Leave it on the ground until you have 2 people there and you are ready to perform the pull. Third person here, you need to get out of the way. Horse may be a little bit excitable. At that point, you would add pressure, ask the horse to back up, and get him out of that position.